Hello, I'm Brandon Christy from Christy Capital Management with our November 2014 Educational Economic Update. In this month's video, we'll be discussing some of the economic events that occurred last month and give you some insight into what they mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. After a jittery October, November was a solid month for the markets. Solid domestic indicators and big moves by central banks in Europe and China helped reassure investors that future growth is possible. Let's take a look at what happened last month. The Bureau of Economic Analysis, the BEA, released its second estimate of third quarter economic growth, and we discovered that the economy accelerated to 3.9% growth. Though we don't know whether the pace of growth continued into the fourth quarter, it's still a reassuring reminder that the economy continues to do well. The BEA updates their GDP reports as more economic data comes in, making each one more accurate. We'll be getting one more update about the third quarter in the upcoming weeks. The labor market continues to make major strides. Total non-farm employment increased significantly in November, though the unemployment rate stayed at 5.8%. More importantly, the quality of available jobs continued to improve. Since the labor market is a major engine of economic growth, we hope job gains will spur growth in other areas of the economy. An important gauge of consumer sentiment surged last month, climbing to the highest level in 7 years. Americans are feeling much better about the financial prospects. This is great for the retail sector because it may mean that Americans are ready to open their wallets and spend. Speaking of spending, the holiday shopping season officially started during the last week of November with Black Friday sales. Early reports show that spending over Thanksgiving weekend unexpectedly dropped 12% over last year. While the results are puzzling since the consumer fundamentals are much better, historical trends show that Black Friday sales actually reveal very little about the overall holiday shopping season and how it's going to go. The good news is that we still have plenty of room for a great retail season. Although it looks like domestic fundamentals are in good shape, the labor market is improving, consumers are feeling optimistic, and the recent drop in gas prices is putting more money in their pockets. On the other hand, slowing global growth is making companies uncertain about their prospects in the coming months, potentially making them less willing to spend. Though we're hopeful about a solid finish to the year, it's wise to prepare for some turbulence along the way. As always, we'll keep you informed. If you have any questions or concerns from what you've heard today, please give our office a call at the number below. Here are some upcoming events that we'd like for you to know about. We're starting the year off with a webinar for January for our federal employees titled TSP, To Roth or Not to Roth. A Roth TSP or Roth IRA is a powerful tool for providing tax-free growth potential. Join us for this informative webinar January 13th at 10 a.m. to learn more about how Roth can help you keep more of your retirement income. A registration link for this event is shown at the bottom of the screen. Well, I'm Brandon Christy from Christy Capital Management with this November 2014 Educational Economic Update. If you have any questions about what you've heard from this update or would like to discuss your personal situation, please give us a call at 866-331-7749. We'd be happy to talk with you.
While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision.